welcome back to a brand new dance tutorial. I'm super excited. If you think this choreography might be too easy for you, then don't forget to check out my advanced version and leave me a comment down below which version suits you best. And then without further ado, let's jump straight into the choreography. This choreography starts on count number 1, and I work mirror inverted for you, so I hope you can easily follow. We start with the right foot that is stepping forward, and at the same time you're going to twist your upper body so your right shoulder is pointing forward and you look to the side. So don't forget to move your head. This is also a body part that wants to be moved. So then take it back and let's try it again. So you have 7, 8, 1 and 2. All right, these are the first 2 counts. You have a step to the front and bring it back in. The next count is the left foot that is stepping out and in. Let's try again. Out and in. It's left, out and in. When you got it, let's put it together. 7 from the top, right and in, and left, out, in. Here we go. Out and in. Look forward and now to the left. Left and forward and left. Hop and a right foot, bring it in, and a left foot, bring it in. Last round, hop. And then let's add the arms. Good job. Now, the arms. We're going to point with the fingers. The right arm is extending to the side, and the left arm is extending upwards. Strong arms, long and lean arms, strong upper body here. All right? These arms are coming when you twist to the side, so make sure you work clean. The arm is parallel to the floor and the left arm is really going straight up. And then you bring the elbows close to your upper body, and it's like you have a fresh manicure and you look to your nails and ooh, I need a really fresh manicure, but anyways, so relax fingers, here elbows in, and then you have out and in. Good. Let's connect everything together from the top. 7, right foot first. Point, bring it in. Fresh manicure. Oh yes, here we go. Point, bring it in. Feel free to move your hips. Out and in, and left to the side. One more right foot and the left foot, and release. Let's add some music so we really can feel the vibe. Let's go. All right, prepare yourself. At the beginning, of course, there's a little freestyle. 4, 3, right foot first. Let's start with the legs, left foot out. Just the legs, right and the left. Catch the music, catch the beat, enjoy. And the right and the left. Whenever you're ready, you're gonna add the arms. So we point and the elbows in fresh manicure. Good, hop. Enjoy, add some attitude, some feeling. Hop. Enjoy your body, enjoy the dance party. Ha! Give me 4 more. Ha! Allow the movement to grow. Allow yourself to grow. 2 more. 4, 3, 2, and relax. Good job. I hope you made it. And I often say, it's not always about performing the most complex steps. It's about the feeling and the individuality you put into your dance. So feel free to move your hips, to move your shoulders, to feel the motion in your upper body. Because here comes the magic in dancing. When you feel the steps, they will automatically look good. So don't stress with complex steps. Start with basic steps and enjoy. It's all about having fun and expressing ourselves through dancing. Good. So let's progress a little bit. These were the first 4 counts. So now imagine something dropped onto the floor and you're too lazy to pick it up with the hands. So we have to pick it up with the left foot. Good. So open your feet like shoulder width apart or maybe a little bit more. And then you're gonna flip the towel, banana, anything that lies on the floor, flip it up with the left sole of the foot. At the same time, I sit into my right hip like this, so really cool, and the left heel is kicking forwards. Imagine there's a person standing next to you here, and you bounce the person, you kick the person away with your right butt cheek. So boom, boom. Let's try this together. Hit it, hit it. Whenever you're ready, follow me. Left heel forward, 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 forward. You're still here with the arms, elbow in, fresh manicure. Good. This is count number 4. On 5, we dive into the sea with our arms. So really nice and big movements. Weight is on the left. Bend the legs deeply. Weight is at the center. And then weight is on the right foot. And you come back to center. Good. I'm a very tall person, so I have the struggle that when I do the tiny movements, they don't look good. So try to exaggerate. So whoop, down. I know it's quite exhausting when we do this very often, but it looks cool. Really go deep as you can. Imagine there's a wire or anything, and you have to dive under it. Good. What are the arms doing? So we dive in to the left, then down, and now keep the right arm extended, and the left is bending, and you do a strong fist. Again, work clean here. Both arms are parallel to the floor. Don't do this, crazy things. Just work clean here. We have lots of time here, 4 counts. So we have 5, 6, 7, and hit it on 8. So imagine there's a wall next to you here on the left side, and you hit it, and there's a little whoop rebound. But don't lose the tension when you hit the wall. Stay strong. So it's maybe you exhale when you hit the wall, that you create a strong core, and then you stay here stable in your arms and in your upper body, so don't lose it. All right, let's bring it together. Let's start from the top. 6, 7 point. Let's go. 1, bring it in, flip it up, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 7, 8. We point, bring it in, flip the banana up, 5, 6, 7, hit it, 8. Good. Shoulders low, strong fists, beautiful. A little bit faster, and then let's try it with music. 5, 6, 7, 8, and point. Elbow, manicure here. And 7 and 8. Good. So after you hit the wall, you come back to center, okay? Don't move to the right too much. Just come back here to center. Let's turn on the music. Let's try from the very beginning. Don't forget the fun at the beginning. So start with a freestyle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Point with the fingers. Here we go. 1, 2. Flip the banana up and dive. Hit the wall. Good. One more time. Here we go. And the 5 and the 6. From the top. Point and up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last round. Get ready. 5, 6. Now 100%. Here we go. Point. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Woo! Good job. Team, I hope you like to dance with me. Don't forget to check out the second part of the dance over here for free, or check out the full tutorial of the whole dance choreography in my online studio over here. Love to dance with you soon again.